Miss Lena in the kitchen, a DJ by her side. Got her apron and a Bible, let the Lord provide. Hey now, Miss Lena, won't you show me how you do? DJ's laughing, hands are clapping, family's coming through. I watch your channel every week, you make that table shine.
Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. How are you all doing today? I am blessed, and I'm coming to you today. I'm making a video. I'm making salmon croquettes, okay, out of the canned salmon. Okay, so I'm going to read my scriptures to you all. Let me get them together here so I can pull them to and start. I hope everyone is having a blessed day today. And God is blessing in every way. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, I will instruct thee and teach thee in thy way, which thou shalt go. Psalms 32:8. For we through the Spirit wait for hope of the righteousness by faith. Galatians 5:5. Okay. And on this other one, I have one other one out here that I didn't see. Okay. The angel of the Lord encamps around about them that fear him and delivers them. Psalms 34:7. So I hope the reading of the scriptures today will reach someone that really in need of the word from God, from the Lord today. So whenever you read back and check the channel for the video, I hope it will help someone today to keep going. And I thank you for the listening to the reading of my scriptures. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm getting ready to do it. Mercy, all this. I fall that on his face. Okay. I'm sorry. They're all trying to fall out on me. Salmon. It's about a 15-ounce can. And I've already cleaned them. And I'm getting ready now to put all of my seasoning in them first. That's the first thing I will do.
And that's 2 15-ounce cans of salmon, y'all.
And I always clean all the bones and all the skin off of them. And I will also be putting in my onions and bell peppers
with some little few carrots in there. Just some few carrots.
And a few carrots, okay. All right, this is what I will be putting in them. In just a second. Okay, now, I get my seasoning in them. First thing, I will be putting the seasoning also into the flour as well. Okay. And this is a little bit of complete garlic powder. And my onion powder. That's breadcrumbs. Okay. Oh, this is onion powder. Okay. Okay, so now I have all of my ingredients into my flour. I'm going to just kind of combine it together. So when I turn them over in there, the ingredients will also be in the flour. Okay. All right, so now I have 2 tablespoons of cream cheese that I'll be adding in also. Along with 1 egg. really beat it up pretty good. Okay, so this little piece of my cream cheese fell out. I'm gonna cook this watermelon. I left just a tiny bit of the juice in here somewhere for the salmon. Not too much, just a little bit. Now I'm getting ready now to put in my bell peppers and onion. And also I'm going to be putting in, I have half a cup of breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is them in a cup. So, all right, so. About a half a cup of breadcrumbs. As soon as my skillet got hot, I put them in.
Forgot to add. She had put white pepper. She had forgot to add, so she also added white pepper.
I think it's ready now for me to start putting them in. Yes, it's ready. I think it's ready now. I have to add just a little bit more oil. Because I got a little bit bigger skillet. Okay. Okay, everyone. I am back with my final presentation of my salmon croquettes. So, this is what they look like, and I'm going to get one. You already took the picture. Okay. All right, I'm going to get one. I like them just a little bit browner. Okay. And I'm going to be tasting it for you. Sometimes I make them a little bit bigger. Today, they're good.
Yeah, they're real good. I mean, real, real good.
They have a good taste. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Very, very good. When I say they're good, they're good.
Very good, y'all.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, these are delicious. Oh my goodness.
I have a lot of videos with the salmon croquettes. So I want you all to try them because I have a lot of different versions I do with them. And this is another one. I don't know if I had this one up before with the cream cheese or not. But this is what this one has in it, cream cheese. But they are very good. Very, very good.
Y'all, they're very good. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
But now I'll tell you all, put whatever season that you all use. Because I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, and complete, and pepper, you might want to use something else. So just take your advice and just use what you want to. But I just want you to see these today. Sometimes I make them a little bit bigger. But today I decided to make them a little thinner and go from there. So I thank you all. And I hope you will enjoy this and so much. And this is something that you can try any day. And it doesn't take too long. Although it takes a little time to clean them when you get them out of the can. Because I always debone them and really clean them to the skin. And when I get through, there's nothing. Sometimes they're better. Sometimes they're not as many left in there once I get through with them. Because I clean them as much as I can. So I thank you to all of my new subscribers, to my regular ones, and my supporters, and all of my members, and everyone that's in my on my channel. I appreciate you all, and I love you so much. But I want to always say that I love you, and I hope that you all, I know that you all are going to be blessed because you'll come to my channel, and I ask God to bless each and every one of you at all times. So I want you all to check this out. This is something that you can do kind of quick. Take your time and get it done, but use whatever ingredients you would like. So thank you so much. This is from DJ and Miss Lena's Kitchen. May God bless you all. Until the next video. Bye now with all my love.
Bye, everyone. And this is so good. Y'all please try this recipe. Bye-bye.